Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to add payment methods in Shopify store. So there is a quick tutorial. Make sure you will have logged in. And right now I will just don't purchase the plan for it, but I will just choose you. So you will just have to move on the left bottom corner is the option of settings. This tab. So right now we will move in the payment section. This tab. So as you can see, there is an option of add payment method. So we will just tap for check what are the payment gateways available on it. So right now you just have to search, and if I just type on credit, so there's an option of Visa or MasterCard, Discover, American Express, and if I just tap on it Visa, so we will just have to select it. So right now we will just have to tap once payment, so just tap on it as well. So as you can see, there's an option of one hour way. So you just have to install on your store, and if you just give you the edit option of your payment gateway. So in this way, you just have to add payment method on Shopify. So that's it. Thank you so much. As you can see in the left side, it will pinned.